Comet 3I Atlas is a ghostly visitor. Imagine looking up on a cold December night and realizing the streak of light above you was born under another sun, billions of years ago. Comet 3I Atlas is that ghostly visitor, only the third confirmed interstellar object ever seen, hurtling through our solar system on a hyperbolic path that betrays its origin beyond our sun's embrace. Discovered on the 1st of July 2025 by the Atlas survey in Chile, 3I Atlas sped inward, reaching its closest point to the sun, its perihelion, on the 30th of October 2025, skimming just inside Mars's orbit. As it warmed, ice sublimated from its nucleus, feeding a glowing coma and long tails of gas and dust, leaving cosmic fingerprints of its exotic chemistry. Though it will never loom large like a Hollywood comet, 3I Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth on the 19th of December 2025, still about 270 million kilometers away. Far safer and fainter than the moon, but a unique opportunity to point telescopes skyward at this messenger from interstellar space. In style and scope, this visitor reminds us that the galaxy is no static backdrop, but a dynamic sea in which even tiny icy wanderers carry stories older than our sun. Fleeting, profound, and utterly humbling.
Cosmology is in a quiet crisis, not of failure but of wonder. Our most successful theory, the standard model of the universe, fits the data with exquisite precision, yet only by invoking dark matter and dark energy, entities we do not understand. Like epicycles before Newton, these ideas may be signposts rather than answers. As telescopes peer deeper into the cosmos, tensions grow, hinting that our picture of space, time, and gravity is incomplete, and that a deeper, more beautiful theory awaits discovery.
The universe beyond the Hubble horizon is racing away from us faster than the speed of light. The Hubble horizon marks the limit of our cosmic vision, a distance beyond which the expansion of space itself carries galaxies away faster than light could ever hope to chase. It sounds impossible, yet it's a beautiful reminder that the speed limit set by Einstein applies only to motion through space, not to the stretching of space-time. As the universe expands, distant galaxies aren't breaking any laws. The fabric of the cosmos is simply elongating between us and them. Beyond the Hubble horizon, light emitted today will never reach us, lost to an ever-accelerating darkness. And yet, in that unreachable distance lies a profound truth. We inhabit a universe vast enough that even light, the fastest thing we know, cannot keep up with its grand, relentless unfolding. The universe hides a remarkable truth. When we peer into the smallest scales, we awaken the machinery of the largest. In quantum theory, shorter wavelengths mean higher energies, and as we push our probes deeper into the ultraviolet, into distances far smaller than an atom, the energy we concentrate begins to bend the fabric of space-time itself. Imagine trying to illuminate the foundations of reality, only to find that your flashlight becomes so intense, it collapses into a black hole. This is the UV/IR connection. The idea that the very act of looking closer creates horizons that push us back, linking the infinitesimal with the infinite. And somewhere near the Planck length, the cosmos draws a boundary, whispering that space and time themselves may be woven from something more profound, something that refuses to be seen any more clearly.
Consciousness may be the universe's most intimate experiment. From a sea of particles and forces, governed by simple laws, matter assembled into stars, planets, and eventually minds capable of reflection. In us, the cosmos has learned to look back upon itself. Every thought is a physical process, every idea a dance of atoms forged in ancient stars. When we wonder, question, and understand, it is not something separate observing the universe. It is the universe, briefly awake, trying to comprehend its own existence. 5 ways the universe leaves me in awe every day. First, the light from distant galaxies has traveled for billions of years to reach your eyes, meaning the night sky is a cosmic archaeological record. Second, every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star. We are, quite literally, star stuff. Third, there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches combined, a number so vast it humbles the imagination. Fourth, space and time are not fixed stages, but flexible fabric, warped by mass and energy, allowing gravity to shape the cosmos itself. And fifth, the universe began in a hot, dense state 13.8 billion years ago. Yet from that simplicity emerged galaxies, planets, life, and consciousness through the quiet, elegant laws of physics. Look up on a clear night, and you are gazing into our home galaxy, a vast, ancient system that tells the story of space, time, and us. Here's 5 facts about the Milky Way. Number 1. Our Milky Way holds over 100 billion stars, each a sun, each a possible dawn. Number 2. We orbit a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, a dark heart 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Number 3. Its spiral arms are stellar nurseries where gravity sculpts light from gas. Number 4. It's 100,000 light-years wide, yet exquisitely thin, like a cosmic vinyl record. Number 5. Every atom in you was forged in stars that once lived and died here.
Get ready. You may just have to forget everything you thought you knew about black holes and the Big Bang. Imagine, for a moment, that the universe is not all there is, but something that happened inside something else. In modern cosmology, there is a quietly radical idea that our universe may reside within the interior of a black hole. Not a black hole in our universe, but one formed in a larger parent cosmos. When a massive star collapses, space-time folds in on itself, horizons form, and classical physics breaks down. But equations do not demand an end, only a transformation. Inside the event horizon, space and time exchange roles. Collapse becomes inevitability, yet quantum theory whispers that singularities may be avoided. Instead of infinite density, there may be a bounce. If so, the birth of our universe, the Big Bang, could be that bounce. What we perceive as the beginning of time may be the continuation of a collapse viewed from the inside. Expansion replaces implosion. Our cosmic inflation could be the echo of gravity's most violent act, stretched across billions of years. It is a humbling thought that every galaxy, every star, every atom exists because somewhere, in another universe, a star fell in on itself, and in doing so, made everything we see possible. Bet you can't spot the black hole. Webb just caught a cosmic monster feeding. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has spotted a supermassive black hole devouring matter just 570 million years after the Big Bang. In a tiny early galaxy called Canex LRDZ 8.6, the black hole is growing faster than its own galaxy, something scientists didn't expect. This discovery suggests black holes formed early and bulked up at lightning speed, rewriting what we thought we knew about the infant universe. Earth isn't just in the Milky Way. It's riding a cosmic megastructure called Laniakea. This supercluster contains 100,000-plus galaxies, all flowing toward a gravitational basin known as the Great Attractor. Our home? A tiny planet orbiting a star in the Milky Way, which sits on the outer edge of Laniakea. Not the center, not special, just along for the ride. From Earth, we look out. But in the universe, we're moving with billions of galaxies in a vast cosmic current. Small place, but huge story because here, at the edge of the observable past, the James Webb Space Telescope has witnessed the death of a star just 730 million years after the Big Bang. This supernova, the earliest ever seen, erupted when the universe was still finding its shape. For the first time, Webb also reveals the faint galaxy that gave it birth. Linked to a powerful gamma-ray burst, this ancient explosion reminds us that even in the universe's infancy, stars lived fast, died violently, and forged the elements that would one day make life possible. The universe may be 13.8 billion years old, yet one star appears to defy that cosmic clock. Deep within the gentle outline of Libra burns HD 140283, known as Methuselah, a stellar relic whose light has crossed more than 14 billion years of space and time to reach us. Born when the universe was young and almost devoid of heavy elements, it whispers of the first chapters of cosmic history. Its puzzling age challenges our measurements, reminding us that science advances by questioning even the most fundamental truths about the universe itself. Einstein was convinced he had blundered, and the thought haunted him. He had bent his equations to silence the universe, inserting the cosmological constant to keep space eternal and still. When expansion was discovered, he denounced it as his greatest mistake. And yet, the cosmos kept speaking. Today we know expansion is accelerating, driven by a strange energy woven into space itself. The constant he tried to erase has returned, transformed from embarrassment into insight, hinting that even nothingness exerts a profound influence on the destiny of everything. In the mind's deep theater, Roger Penrose dares us to look beyond neurons firing like clockwork. His orchestrated objective reduction is a cosmic wager. That consciousness is not mere computation, but a physical event woven into the quantum fabric of reality itself. Within the warm, wet darkness of the brain, quantum states rise, balance, and then collapse, objectively, inevitably, giving birth to moments of awareness. It's a vision where mind and universe are not strangers but partners, echoing the same fundamental laws. Last Thursdayism is the claim that the universe was created very recently, perhaps last Thursday, with all memories, records, and evidence of a past already in place. The idea collapses under the weight of its own absurdity. It asks us to accept that every memory, record, scar, and photon in transit was fabricated wholesale, not because evidence demands it, but because doubt can imagine it. It explains everything by explaining nothing, replacing inquiry with arbitrary invention and rendering reason itself meaningless. Did the universe actually need to be created at all? When we look back through cosmic time, we find evidence of expansion, heat, and a beginning-like moment we call the Big Bang, but no trace of intention. Physics shows us how space and time evolved from an early, dense state, yet it offers no hint of purpose. Quantum theory even permits universes to arise spontaneously, without cause, much like particles appearing from nothing. Creation may not be written into the cosmos, but into our desire for meaning. Did you know time dies at light speed? A photon leaves a star and arrives instantly, never aging, never waiting. For light, emission, and absorption are one single event, fused by space-time itself. You are made of catastrophe and light. When ancient stars exploded, they forged your atoms. You are literally stardust that learned to feel, to wonder, and even love. 5 seconds of wisdom. Black holes aren't forever. They literally leak energy and slowly disappear. Space is wild. 5 seconds of wisdom. Nothing can outrun light through space, but space itself can stretch faster than light. Black hole gravity pulls your feet harder than your head. You get stretched into a cosmic noodle.
Relativity is the universe saying, speed and gravity change the rules. Time slows, space warps.
JWST isn't just looking into space. It's looking back to the universe's very first moments. People still think the Earth is flat, but satellites, gravity, and literal space photos have been proving it's a globe for decades. Science stays undefeated. The universe is expanding, but scientists can't agree on how fast. Okay, quick brain bender. Spooky action at a distance sounds like a bad 90s X-Files episode, but it's real physics. You take two particles, they get linked, like finish each other's sentences linked. Then you separate them, miles, planets, light years. Change one, the other reacts instantly. No delay, no signal, no explanation anyone loves. Nothing actually travels faster than light. But the universe still looks at our rules and says, yeah, whatever. Bottom line, reality is weird, Einstein hated it, and quantum physics does not care how uncomfortable that makes you. From 35,000 kilometers above our planet, everything changes. Borders disappear, languages, cultures, and conflicts fade into silence. What remains is a single, fragile sphere, our home. This video shows the last 24 hours of Earth. Day turning to night, storms forming, lights flickering on as billions of lives unfold at once. From space, it's clear. We are not divided by lines on a map. We are connected by one planet, sharing one moment in time. From this distance, scale becomes humbling. That tiny point is our sun. The vast giant beside it is Stephenson 2-18, the largest known star, over 2,000 times larger than our sun, revealing just how immense the universe truly is.
Like seriously, scientists just found a crazy massive black hole out in the early universe that makes no sense with old theories. It's like 50 million times the sun's mass and chilling without stars around it. Could be one of the first primordial black holes from right after the Big Bang. Basically, the universe's OG monster.
Dark matter runs the universe, yet we have zero proof of what it actually is. Most of reality is controlled by something we've never seen, measured, or understood. And we still call that science. We start in a deep field, thousands of galaxies billions of years away. Now zoom in, closer, closer, and this is Cas A, the aftermath of a massive star that exploded about 300 years ago. What looks beautiful is actually chaos. Superheated gas and stellar debris still racing through space. Captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, these colors aren't filters, they're elements. A star ended, and the universe kept the receipt.